Every food that you can eat or any liquid that you can drink is going to have some amount of toxic substances in it, whether it's pesticides or plastics or heavy metals or mycotoxins, naturally occurring substances as foods like lectins, oxalates, or phytates. Every food that you're going to be eating is going to have some levels of these at varying degrees, and you can try to minimize the content of these that you can get that you're getting through your foods, but it's very hard to do that and it can be very expensive to do that. So instead of trying to remove these from your diet completely, which is impossible to do because every food is going to contain these at varying degrees, the best way to try to minimize the effect of these is that naturally remove these substances. And the main way that your body does that naturally is just through water. So drinking more water, sweating more, so your body goes through the water more because the water, when it leaves your body with these substances in it. It transfers these substances out of your body. But you have to make sure that the water you're drinking isn't putting more of these toxic substances into your body. So that's why it's important to either use distilled water or reverse osmosis water. I personally prefer distilled water because the distillation process usually doesn't use plastic like reverse osmosis water does. But there's debate on which one is more effective of actually removing these substances. So just drinking more clean water and also sweating more. So, either through exercise or through a sauna, both are effective ways of sweating and removing these toxic substances from your body. The other most important ways to do this are just going to be through sleep, which is how your body just naturally restores itself. So, making sure that you're sleeping enough and getting quality sleep by making sure you have low levels of blue light in the nighttime, obviously no caffeine in the nighttime as well. And then also fixing your nutrient deficiencies is important to improve the effectiveness of your body's natural processes through sleep and water, getting the water through your body. Pretty much every natural process that your body uses to remove these substances is going to be hindered if you're deficient in most nutrients. So just making sure you're tracking your diet on something like Chronometer, or if you just know the nutrient amounts, it's hard to know everything, so it's important to be tracking it. Getting enough of the most important micronutrients just so your body can effectively remove everything that it needs to from your body.